President Donald Trump says starting today, there will be a 100% tariff on certain branded and patented pharmaceuticals. Local 5's Emma Stroner joins us in studio to break down what this really means for those taking prescription drugs.
Well, Stephanie, according to President Donald Trump, the drugs produced by these companies will be exempt from this imposed tariff if they are building a pharmaceutical manufacturing plant in the United States. Now, if you take a look beside me, you'll see a few commonly prescribed brand name drugs and their manufacturers, who both import their active ingredients from Europe into the U.S. Now, this includes drugs for weight loss, diabetes, and arthritis. Now, both Eli Lilly and AbbVie have launched construction plans on new facilities that would produce these active ingredients here in the U.S. But it's unclear whether or not some other companies plan to do the same. Brad Mag is one of the owners of Spring City Pharmacy in Colfax. He says the local pharmacy wouldn't be able to absorb any potentially higher prices.
In a business where most of our margins are negative anyway, we don't have a lot of room to budge with that. And unfortunately, those things get passed on to the patient. He
says the tariff speaks to a larger struggle in healthcare.
This is adding to the stress of the entire industry. Medical care for everybody has always been a concern in the United States, and we have very expensive medical care here, and so it's trying to get that under control while still having quality care is a challenge.
Mag tells Local 5 their patients already face frequent uncertainty, and that the pharmacy suppliers have not yet been able to tell him what future prices might look like.
It's always up in the air on what prices will be for patients tomorrow or next week. Our suppliers aren't able to give us a good understanding yet of what that's going to look like, because often, in the past, some of these tariffs have been implemented and then taken back, within a day or two. We're optimistic that might be the case here.
Now, Pfizer is another popular manufacturer known for Paxlovid and Comirnaty that both treat COVID-19. For the next 3 years, this tariff would not be imposed on their products as they agreed to lower costs of treatment that was requested by the president. Stephanie?